Hello YouTube, here I have some 5 Series F10 headlights. So these were water damaged. The inside of the headlight was completely filled with water. Of course, the first thing is that the module inside it failed. The main xenon headlight keeps running, but the indicators, the halos, the daytime running lights, everything else dies, and there's like a little LED strip here that dies as well. So the first thing is first, you obviously change the module at the back. Original module was really corroded, and this is a new one. After I put in a new module, the headlight didn't really respond, nothing really got fixed, and that's when I got digging into the connector. So this is the original connector. As you can tell, it's completely corroded. So obviously if this connector connects here, it's not going to do any good. So the thing is, you have to open up the headlight. To open it up, unfortunately, you have to cut the lens all across, and you have to pull everything out. That's kind of the only way to go about it. And then you can see screws all over the place. You remove everything, and you have to really dismantle the headlight to get to the connectors. So with all the headlight components out and things disconnected, this is what it looks like on the inside. Some of the components are here. This is what an assembled one looks like, and that's the xenon bulb with the adjusting motor. This is the other motor, and this is the connector that I used as a replacement. But what happens is that every time I attach the card thickness is too thin for this, so I actually ended up ordering the wrong connector, and it does fit, but it's flimsy, so all the connections wouldn't be made properly, and I soldered everything to this connector. But now, since this doesn't work and I can't find the correct connector, I'll be directly soldering these wires onto the module. So that means this headlight will be like a one-time use. It will I can't really change the module after, but it should fix the issue because all the components inside work. It's just the connection. So I'll solder it up and show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so the module is in, and I soldered each and every wire to the module itself. One thing you need to notice is I did a continuity check, so the wire at the bottom all automatically connects to the wire at the top. I should have taken this video while it was out, but I forgot. But this is what everything looks like, and now I'll assemble it, attach everything, all the wiring, and put it to test and see how this goes. So guys, this is a little update, and the headlights are temporarily hooked up. The lens is cut, but as you can tell, the halos are working, and I tried out the indicators. They're working as well, and so is this side light. I only installed 2 of the halos, so there's no halos on this side, but we have the side lights working. So yeah, I soldered it up directly, and everything seems to be working like it's supposed to. So thanks for watching, and hopefully this was helpful.